What we've got here is a Bluetooth speaker from a company I've never heard of before, Veenax. It sounds more like a cleaning company, but let's have a look and see what it's all about. So, the box is the usual bog standard plain. And then this is the speaker itself. So you get the usual bits in the box, so a couple of leads and the user guides, and welcome to Veenax. Okay, so the speaker itself looks more like something you would pop in the car. So it looks more like one of those subs that you put in the car, so it'll sit that way up in the car and then go on your parcel shelf or something like that. Looks a bit space age, looks more like a lunar capsule. But with this speaker, it's got touch buttons on the top, so you've got Bluetooth, skip forward, skip back, and your play pause button, plus I don't know what the phone bit means. And then you've got your on off button on the bottom. That just seems a bit cheap and tacky to me, but if it works, it's fine. So let's switch it on and see. Okay, it's a good start. Let's see if it's going to do anything or if it's not. There we go, so it's come up, which is always handy. And that's it paired. So let's see what it sounds like. Bit of YouTube, why not? So, yeah, I'll give it its juice. It goes a lot louder than I was expecting, and the sound quality is actually really, really good. Usually with speakers of this size, they're, being honest, not great. But I have to admit, I love that. Yeah, it all works. Yeah, it all works. What else is to say? So with the speaker, it's 3 watts of power. That's why I think it would be that good. But it's surprised me. In the box, you also get the USB charging cable, so that charges just on the end, and also a line in. So if you ever did want to connect it up to anything else, for example, straight into your phone, you can use this to go straight to it. My honest opinion is I'm massively surprised at this. And for the price, it's a bargain, so I don't think there's really anything else to say. I would happily buy quite a few of these and then link them together. Create a proper sound system. Enjoy!